Hello, Eric Gimbal, ericgimbal.com, and today I'm going to present you the unboxing of the Sandmarc lenses and filters for my iPhone XS Max. Let's start. First of all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ericgimbal, my website ericgimbal.com, and if you have any question, you can send me an email to info@ericgimbal.com. I'm here in my van. This is what you see, the sink behind me and the cooker, okay? And first of all, I made a video before explaining why I decided to buy Sandmarc lenses instead of Moment. Here you have a link to that video. And it took only 3 days for my lenses to get from the United States to Spain, and then it was blocked in custom for 1 month. This is not Sandmarc fault, obviously. This is a Spanish administration that was a disaster with dealing with importation. Okay, so I got the photography kit, which is a macro lens, a wide angle lens, and a tele lens. There is also a fisheye lens, but I did not order it because I don't like fisheye, whether it is reflex camera, micro four third, whatever. I don't like fisheye, so it was no point for me to order it. Okay, I got it during Black Friday. It was a very good offer. And I also ordered the cinema kit, which is a polarizer filter here and 3 neutral density ND filters. So let's start about it. I'm not going to do a review of each lens right now. I'm doing some unboxing to explain to you about the philosophy of what Sandmarc is doing. And then in another video I will really test through completely each lens. So actually the kit is not a real kit. They actually got together 3 boxes. It means I don't get just one case for my iPhone. I get 3 cases. So in each pack you get the lens itself, a clip, a cleaning cloth, microfiber, okay, and a case for your telephone. Here it is. Okay, so the quality of the lens is just amazing. And so you touch it, it's metal. It looks like my small Leica lenses, you know. So you look at it, it's metal, it's great, it feels good. You have the the cloth, microfiber. As I said in my tips last month, don't ever wipe with a cloth directly. Blow first, put some air, whatever, blow, so if there's some hard dust it won't scratch. Okay, so what's the philosophy and then I don't know if I said you get a clip too. Okay, there are 2 ways of using these lenses. When you order, actually you should indicate what kind of telephone you have. In my situation, I've got an iPhone XS Max, so I got the case for it. First option is to put the phone in the case. I must say the case is not the kind of case you would trust for protecting your phone. I know that Moment cases are far better for what I've heard, and this one is true that it does not protect. So I would use this case just for making pictures or video. I would not use it any other way because I think the protection is not good enough. So first option, this is the tele lens. So on my iPhone XS Max, the tele lens is here and the wide angle lens is there. So if I use the tele lens, obviously I'm going to screw it on the iPhone, in front of the iPhone tele lens. Okay, here it is. All right, then if I take it off, okay, it's important that you use a third part photography app. Unless if you use the native one, you have only the option to use in portrait if you want to use the telelens. Otherwise, the lens will be in front of the wide angle. Okay, so I make a picture just to have an idea. Okay, I make a picture here with it and without. Okay, the telelens is the equivalent of twice the angle of view of your mobile telelens. And two ways of working. One way is using the case. Second way, if you don't have a telephone that has cases, that Sandmarc has cases for it, you can use a clip like this. Okay, what I like about the clip ID, although maybe I will not use it, but I probably will not use it for telelens, but maybe for wide angle. You can actually clip it, like here, I clip it in the back. Bad news, it's over your screen, okay? But still, you can clip it if you don't have a phone that has cases for that. And also, the good thing, if I was with a wide angle, I actually can clip on the front lens, thing I cannot do with the moment lenses. So if I'm using the wide angle, I want to have more wider view, it is possible this way. With the system like Moment, you cannot actually use the lens on your front camera. Now I'm going to show you the wide angle. I will show you when I make the full review. I'm going to show you another lens that is interesting. This is a macro lens, just because you have a different accessory, which is this shade. Well, actually it's not a shade, it's a diffuser. Okay, it looks like a shade, but it's a diffuser. By the way, the lens of the macro lens is very short, and the cap is almost covers completely, so it's a bit hard to take it out. Okay, the good thing about the shade, the diffuser, you put it on. So when you're going to make a macro picture, it will get better light on your subject. Okay, so that's something I wanted to show you. This lens in this way is different than the other one. Okay, now I'm going to show you the filter. This is a Polarizer, and there are two ways of using it also. You can actually screw it directly on the lens. This is all metal, quality is impressive. And then you move your polarizing, okay, the way you want. Okay, this is one way of using it. But in case you would not like to use a lens, and you actually need the Polarizer using the native smartphone lens, there is a special clip, which is a bit different, a lot wider, and you screw it on it, and you can clip it directly. It actually can be on both lenses at the same time. So this way you can actually clip it directly on your telephone. So I think this is a great option because it gives you really many. It's a lot more versatile, you know. It gives you more options. So I like it very much the way they thought about this, you know. And this was the Polarizer, and I also got, with the same clipping system, I got 3 neutral density filters. Same thing, really good quality. Same thing, you can actually screw it on your lens. You can hear this is metal, full metal, really good quality, as you can see. Okay, there are 3 filters, ND4, ND8 and AD16, which is 2, 3 and 4 stops. Many people think, why do I need some filters like this? Well, when you're doing video, especially if you want to do a cinematic look, and you want to be on 24 frames per second, your maximum speed should be 1/48 of a second. So this your shutter speed. This way you need to cut light. Otherwise your shutter speed will be higher and it's going to like flicker or make something like a bit robotic, you know. So it's not smooth at all, you know. So it's very important that you must be able to cut the light, and so you do need a neutral density filter. And same thing, you have the clip also that you can actually put it directly on your phone. What else can I say? The quality, the build quality is brilliant. It's really nice. I've seen many reviews comparing Moment and Sandmarc. Some people do give some lenses from Sandmarc better than Moment, and the other way around. I'll test this completely and give you my impression. So far what I've seen, the quality is really good. That was a simple unboxing, unboxing of many boxes. So I thought to do a separate video before the testing. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ericgibaud, my website ericgibaud.com, and if you have any question you can send me an email to info@ericgibaud.com. My social network information are just below in comments. Thank you, bye.